Tired of getting the runaround when searching for jobs? You can't get the job because you don't have the experience. You can't get the experience because you don't have a job. How do you break that cycle? I would like to introduce you to HOPFAME at Hopkinsville Community College. HOPFAME is a 2-year apprenticeship program designed specifically for industrial maintenance techs. We will train you to master the ins and outs of electrical and mechanical systems, PLCs, robotics, and much more while you attend classes at HCC 2 days a week. You'll work for a sponsoring employer 3 days a week where you'll apply what you learn in class while earning a competitive wage. After completing 5 semesters, you'll have an associate degree and you'll have experience. Now you can walk into a business and lay down your resume with confidence. Not only do you have the education, you have the experience. Those are the qualifications that industries want when they're hiring skilled technicians. Let's talk and see if we can help you get on that path to a degree and a solid career. Join us on Tuesday mornings at 10 and Thursday evenings at 6 for a Facebook Live session where we'll share basic details of the program and find out if this is something that you're interested in pursuing. If you are, then we can schedule a one-on-one meeting to answer all of your questions. Please join us on Tuesday at 10 a.m. or Thursday at 6 p.m. on our HOPFAME Facebook Live event. See you soon.